Welcome. If you have this dashboard fully installed on your system and you want to configure it for use, how do you start? This is a very robust application that will help you to organize your desk. So how do you start? The first thing you have to do after you have installed this software is to come to systems, to come to customization center. So from the customization center, you will have to, if you're running a primary school, you will have to come to primary and then nursery. So when you click on primary, you type in the name of your school, you type in the address of your school, your contact information and all of that. And after you have done that, you click on update, and then you come to nursery school. You do exactly the same thing, and then you click on update. You have to do for both primary and nursery. Then when you are done, if you are running a secondary school, you have to do for SS class, type in the name of the school, and then for JSS class, type in the name of the school and then update. So that's how you are going to do it. Then the logo of your school must have been snapped or scanned in soft copy. Put somewhere on your system, and then you come here, you select logo, then you browse for the logo of the school on your system. So that logo, once you browse for it, it must be in JPEG, like you can see here. It doesn't take PNG, it doesn't take any other format other than JPEG. So when you browse for it, the logo will appear in this place. If it doesn't appear, so once it appears here, you click on save. Then the signature of the principal or the head of the school that must appear on every document must also be scanned on the system. When you select signature, you browse for wherever it is on the system, and then when this opens, you select wherever you have those a signature on the system. So once you browse for the signature and it appears here, this is not JPEG, that's why it's not appearing here. Then you save, so that on all your documents, the name of the school and all these credentials that you have put here will be what will be coming out on the name of all the document that is coming from this system. Then the logo of the school and the signature will be the one that will be attached to every document coming from this software. So that is the first thing you have to do when you just install this software, to configure it and customize it for the school. So let's move on to the next thing we have to do after installing this software. Thank you, as we catch up in the next class.